Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be building one OnePlus One out of these two phones. So, I was given this phone by S'mores, which I'm once again very thankful for, and sadly the bottom
Screen
part,
on.
Yep, the bottom part of the screen
Paragraphs.
doesn't work, so I can't press next. That's where this one comes in. This is my personal OnePlus One, which has a broken motherboard, but the screen on it is new. So today we're going to swap the screen, swap the guts from this phone into this phone. I also wanted to do a back transfer, because this thing has cyanogen, which is technically cooler, but it's, as you can see, in very bad shape. So we're just going to replace the motherboard in this one.
Screen off.
Yep, it's very loud. So, let's start with phone number 1, which is the donor phone. In this video, I'm gonna be using the iFixit Minnow kit. Okay, let's start. So first thing you want to do is take off the back. Since this one's pretty thrashed, I don't really care about it. Now, I didn't put the screws back into this phone because, it doesn't work. So yeah, let's just take the motherboard out of it by unplugging all of these connectors. I should have tested the charging port to see if it works, but I'm pretty sure it does. In the worst case, we swap in that one, which I don't know if it works. So yeah. And let's screw it, let's use the metal tool. Yeah, everything's disconnected. The screen is the last ribbon, and you just grab the motherboard out of there. Do look out, there is this back connector. So disconnect that and put your motherboard to the side over there. Yeah, okay. Here's the power button from that housing. Just gonna leave that there. And yeah, we have one ready, OnePlus One. This LCD has a little bit of like burn-in or something, but it's still better than a non-working one. So yeah. Okay, let's get on with phone number 2. Phone number 2, we're gonna be a bit more careful because this back is actually in good condition, apart from the minor scratching. But yeah, it's nicer. So yeah, you want to jam your thing in there and just open it by these clips. Though, one thing that I'm gonna advise you is beware of the the buttons on the phone. The buttons on the phone are very fragile. That's actually the part that's broken on my motherboard. And yeah, let me just use my hands because it doesn't really want to come off. But yeah, here's the guts of a working OnePlus. As you can see, the beautiful red battery, which I also swapped because the one in the one that S'mores sent me, this one, didn't want to go past 0%, so I just swapped in one of mine because I've got multiple for it. Okay, let's start by disassembling it. Just grab your tool, just grab your thing, like your PH000 bit. Don't know if you can see that. Probably not, but it's a PH000. Now let's start unscrewing all these screws. Pro tip, put the screws around the phone in the place where they would normally be. So yeah, let me just put this shielding away. Unscrew this. Over here, see these 3 spots? There's 3 screws over here, which we're gonna want to take off. So yeah, let me just grab my iFixit Protect Toolkit tool and just try to jam it out of there. Nope, yeah, there it is. Yep. And the third one. These are purely for us. Oh, there it is. Yeah, let me just put it here. Okay, let me just, yeah, alright. Now, below these, there's more screws, so let's unscrew those. Okay. Now that that is done, we can try lifting off this motherboard shielding with just our nail or something. I am actually going to use my tool for it. Yep. Carefully pull it off, because the battery connector, as you can see, is stuck to it. We can just, yeah. Alright, we can put this to the side because we're gonna need it, as mine is a bit chewed up. But yeah, now that the battery is disconnected, we can take it out. Mine isn't very glued in, but the one I took out of this phone was glued in quite harshly. So yeah, take this battery, just place it into the new frame. Now let's disconnect everything. Let's remove the camera. Okay. It's stuck there. Yeah, that's fine. It can flop about. I'll try to just pry it out of place. Do not use metal tools though. Oh. There is like, oh, I see the problem. There is a screw there. This is the reason that it wasn't going out. Get out of there, screw. Ruining my day. Yeah, already going out much better. Okay. Trying to not destroy these buttons. Come on. There we go. It is free. Now, we disconnect this connector. Just so you can see. There we go. And we have one free motherboard. Now, what I'm gonna do just now is switch back to white. And yeah. Let's just connect the camera. Alright. And that's our fully working motherboard. Okay, so we don't need this part anymore. Now let's grab our donor phone. Let's place the battery over there. And move this out of place. Yeah. So, now, time to reinstall this. So, let's just reconnect this, just so you guys can see it better. Okay. Now that that is reconnected, we can finally seat the motherboard back into place, making sure not to trap any connectors under it. We can reconnect the screen. Can connect this flex ribbon. Well, not really a flex ribbon. It's a flex cable, I think. I'm not sure. Forgot the name of it. I didn't know it. Now we have to reseat the buttons. Yeah. The power button as well. Yeah. Great. It's just great. Okay, place the battery. Are we sure everything's connected? It should be. Plug the battery in. Now we can test the phone out. I'll just put the shield over it, just so nothing bad happens. The worst case, we can just take it off. Okay, let's press the power button. Yeah. Oh. Yes, cyanogen mode ready. Just want to see if it works now. There's some dust under the front camera, but yeah, it's fine. I can always just take it apart again.
Talk back on. Cyanogen.
That's great.
Next button.
Yeah. There we go.
English
No,
English
I don't know
Edit
how
box.
to.
English United Kingdom.
Let's actually try to turn off talkback on this thing. Speech volume, no. I'm gonna have to Google this. Okay, so I have successfully turned off talkback. Now let's just quickly set it up. I didn't connect it to Wi-Fi, I just want to see. Yeah. Okay. But great thing is that it's working. Got it. So, it now works. Let's see what Android version it's on. Settings, about phone, Android version 6. That's Marshmallow. The bottom buttons work as well. Like, yeah. Okay, let's shut it down. And let's continue reassembling this thing. So, first go these 3 screws in the middle. It's very nice. I like having a working OnePlus. I'm also gonna give it a case because I have an original OnePlus case for it. As you can hear the excitement in my voice. I finally did it. I finally have a fully working OnePlus One. Yeah. Oh, put it on the wrong way around. Just get out. Oh, come on. Yeah, there we go. Now, where'd I put my, like, good-looking back? No, not there. There it is. Okay, so this is what we're using. It's pretty good in shape, like, it's not the best thing, but, like, it'll do. Get that crunch. So satisfying. I'm also gonna install a SIM tray. Okay, let's boot it up. It's booting, which is fun. Yeah, Android is starting. But yeah, now we have a fully working OnePlus One. There's customization options. What? No. Come on. Did I really turn on talkback? Oh, come on. Okay, let me actually turn it off in settings. Accessibility, talkback, off. Okay. Yeah. It can be like really personalized if I even click like wallpapers and stuff. And there's like the stock Android ones and stuff, plus this one and this one, which I'm gonna use because cyanogen mod. There's settings as well. You know, I actually like cyanogen mod as a ROM. But yeah, one more thing I'm gonna try. Sorry for the lack of light. Nope, that went wrong. Let me actually grab my micro USB, plug it in. It does in fact charge. So yeah, let me just go grab my case and we'll finish off this OnePlus. Okay, so the last part of this video is installing this original case. It's very straightforward, you just snap it on there. If it fits, for whatever reason it doesn't, when it's for this exact phone, there might be something messing with it. Might be the camera. Let me actually like try taking it off and on again. I mean, it's shot and stuff. Like everything fits. I don't know why this doesn't. No, I might have done it right there. But yeah, this is a fully working OnePlus One. Pretty cool device. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you like this type of repair. Judging by the comments I'm gonna get on this video, I'm gonna continue in either making this type of repair or a different kind. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed me fixing up a OnePlus One. If you did, a like to the video would be freaking great. And yeah, that's about it. See you on the next one.